Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use AI GPT Generator text to video Alexis. So this app recently launched and it's under the developing, so they're developing day by day and improve it, and I will show you how to use this app. So first of all, you need to open the app. Once you're done, then you have to choose the language, which language you want. So here are a couple of languages, and tap the tick mark. So you can see, simply tap next and start. So you can see how it looks like a woman. Surprise me, inspirations. You can see a cat playing in the bathtub, and this is the home page. So you can take inspirations from this option and tap on the collection. Like here you can see your collection. You can see here generate a new video, lines ripple, and also your settings. So I'll show you how to create, like generate was an ad. So first of all, you need to was ad to create your videos, text to videos. If you click collection, then tap create a new video, and you can see you can write here anything. So they just for test purpose they give, but generate was an ad. So once you tap here, you have to was ad, then it will generate it. So I will tap here. So after watching the ad, you can see it's now processing. Your vision is turning into reality. Greatness takes a few minutes to perfect. Notify me when it's ready. Once you tap here, once it's ready, they notify you. But I have to wait here, and I pause the video. So they say that your video is ready. So if you tap here, was now. So you can see how it looks like. So you can see it's truly realistic. You can see like prompt a group of soldiers emerging from dense jungle and recommend it. So you can download here, you can download from here and use prompt. So unless your capabilities was and unlock your creativity. So you have to was ad to get the uh, videos. So you can download here, and once you download here, save your videos without watermark. So you have to watch that video in every time. This is the bad things for this app, but I want to see like is there any. So they don't have any here. You can see new, you can use it here. You can give the prompt here, and where you can prompt, you can get the prompt on ChatGPT. It's simple, it's really simple. You just need to give the text, and if you want to get videos from your generation, so tap here. So to be honest, in this time, like in 3 minutes, I was 3 or 4 ads to get every step, and they don't bring any premium package for this app so far, and they are developing. I hope they will bring some premium versions so that you cannot see and cannot watch any video, any ad. So vibrant underwater scene with glowing self and colorful color coral. So this way you can create the videos here. You can take inspiration here, and it's developing. So I hope this video is helpful. So today's no man, see you in the next video.